ones. When we paint, we have some special classroom cleanup rules we need to follow to make everything go smoothly. Please pay attention to all the jobs because you never know what you're gonna have. If your job is blotter papers, you're gonna come to the drying rack and get 8 blotter papers and carry them over to the table. You can see I've already done that side with 4 blotter papers. Person 4, 5, and 6 always share on that corner, and person 1, 2, and 3 will always share on this corner. We're gonna lay out the blotter papers right along the edge of the table, overlapping. 1, 2, 3, and 1 in the middle for the paint. Person 2 and 3 and person 4 and 5 will have to scoot down so everyone can share on the corner. If your job is paint, make sure you always carry the paint trays nice and flat, and you put one on both sides. When you pick them up, you can carry them together and carry them flat to put them back. If your job is cleaning up the blotter papers, you always stack them in one neat pile of all 8 blotter papers. Pretend I have them all. Carry them like this, and they must lay flat on the bottom of the drying rack. If your job is papers, the papers cannot go down until the blotter papers are in place. They have to go on top. We never paint anywhere but the blotter papers. When it's time for you to clean up, you're gonna carry the art papers one at a time with 2 hands like this. Take them to the drying rack that matches your teacher's name, and make sure you put them on the right color shelf. If your job is brushes, come on over to the sink. I'll show you what to do. If you're getting brushes, you're gonna fill up 2 cups halfway full of water. That's so the water doesn't splash all over the place. You're gonna put 3 brushes in each cup, and then you're gonna take those to the table and put them next to the paint cups. When it's time for you to clean up, you're gonna carry those back to the sink using a pinch hold like this so you don't spill them. Watch how we clean them. I'm gonna show you the fast way. So come a little closer and take a look. We can hold the brushes like this, pinched, and dump the water, fill it up with clean water, and then we hold the cup while we just dab the brushes on the bottom of the cup until the water is kind of clean. Then we dump that cup, stack it on the pile, put the brushes back, hair in the air. That's tip up so they don't rot. If your job is getting a sponge, it's really important that the sponge isn't too wet. So you can wet the sponge first, but then use 2 hands to squeeze it out really good like this. And then after you use it, you're gonna wash it again, squeeze it, and put it back in the strainer. All right, thanks everybody.